All the AI influencer videos you're seeing here have been created using completely free AI tools. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact tools and workflow that allow you to generate these kinds of hyper-realistic results without spending any money. Step 1. The first thing we need is an AI influencer face, a base model. In this example, I'm using the same influencer model again, but this time we're generating it using LM Arena, which allows us to access Nano Banana, Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image model. Step 2. Collect video references for motion. Now head over to Pinterest. You'll find multiple types of influencer videos here. You can also use TikTok, Instagram, or any platform you prefer. We're just collecting clean reference videos for motion. Step 3. Video selection. Choose a simple, clean video, not too complex. Minimal movement works best for realistic results. I'm using this one as my reference. Pick a short clip with natural, subtle motions like talking, gesturing lightly, or posing. Step 4. Now go to the frame extractor. Upload the video you downloaded from Pinterest. Then extract any frame, for example, frame 2 or frame 5. Step 5. Now go back to LM Arena. Open the model section. Select Direct Chat. Enable Image Model. From the drop-down, select Gemini 3 Pro, which is Nano Banana Pro. Upload 2 images. First, the AI influencer image. Second, the screenshot from the video. Now use this simple prompt. Image 1 is posing like image 2, same camera angle, and click Generate. The output image is now perfectly aligned. Same pose, same angle, same structure, but with a clean AI influencer identity. Step 7. Free video generation. Now for the most important part, the video. Go to Video, select Avatar, then choose Character Swap. Upload the original reference video from Step 3. Upload the generated AI influencer image from Step 6. From Settings, select Pro Model instead of Standard. You'll notice something important. 0 credits required. This means the generation is completely free. Because it's free, there will be long queues. Processing time can be slow, so patience is part of the process. Final result. Enjoy creating your hyper-realistic AI influencers. If this video added value to your learning, make sure to like it. Subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, free tools, and future-ready content. And turn on the notification bell so you never miss what's coming next.